Today, we're joined by two people who are doing something genuinely bold in the car world, taking on the challenge of building proper driver-focused sports cars, but electric. So we've got Mark Tapscott, Chief Strategy Officer, and Daniel Davey, CEO of Longbow Motors. Does this challenge feel different?
It's now come down to sports cars. It is the last halo to be taken away from electrification. The challenge is exactly what you outlined in one of your episodes. The immediate reaction, that visceral thing of, this looks great. What engine does it have? Oh, it's electric. Why? And so that's our challenge. That's what we want to really take on now.
What seems to be a massive ethos for you, and that's lightness. That's that featherweight. How are you managing to keep things so light?
What does a car driver want? What's a sports car driver want? Not what does the marketing team say. Blank sheet of paper, what does the driver need? That's what goes in. Everything else stays out.
And then when you combine it with a few things that we can't talk about in details here on the call, but we'll have a world first in the way that our batteries integrate with the chassis as well.
It's been a journey for myself to go from quite literally your stereotypical petrolhead, not interested in electric, they're the worst thing, and it changing my mind and actually admitting on the last episode I actually really like them.
Well, it's always been this one or the other, right? So ICEs have always had character and soul and individualities, and EVs have been technically on paper better, but they're just not as characterful. And that's where we really want to bridge that gap, actually.